My name is Tone Lev, the maker of the superhero sandwich. I'm from Delaney Homes, per fanboy, aka Ambush City, born and raised, all that shit. With the twins and with half a mil, half dead, my man Woo, Crew, Demo, Best, everybody from the hood. Rest in peace to Sergio, man. Straight up and down, you know what I mean? Real talk. Nigga, I just do this shit for whatever, nigga. 5 years in the game, I spit nothing but underground hip hop. I don't do no pop shit, no nothing. So when niggas hear my shit straight up and down, they know that shit is official, grimy, dirty, Jersey, motherfucking hip hop, nigga. I ain't popping, I ain't dancing, I ain't doing none of that bullshit. Straight up lyrics, straight up real stories that I know of or I lived through, nigga. Nigga, the state of hip hop, niggas need to get some fucking balls and straight do what they need to fucking do. Cause word is born, at the end of the motherfucking day, niggas is just copying niggas. I ain't dancing. I don't dance. I go to the motherfucking bar. You'll never see me at the club, nigga. Cause the club pay too much for drinks, nigga. I got bartender bitches that hook me up, nigga. $3 for Coronas and a shot, nigga. While y'all niggas paying $9 at this shit trying to ball out, nigga. I don't ball out. I discount, nigga. Anything I got on, nigga, it's knockoff, nigga. Flea market style, nigga. Peace to the ill souls, nigga. Snake eyes. Y'all niggas need to get some balls and start doing what the fuck y'all need to do with lyrics. Niggas need to be original. Straight up. Speak the truth, right, homegirl? Speak the truth. Half a million say speak the motherfucking truth. Because when nobody, no, well, real quick, fam, no disrespect. Yo, real quick, you niggas need to really look at yourselves, nigga. Some of y'all niggas ain't even never seen a bird. Y'all ain't even had a bird. That can't even fuck a fiend, nigga. Real talk. So how the fuck you pushing something? You feel me? Who bought out a bar lately, nigga? I roll with mad niggas who bought money. Niggas ain't buying at a bar. It's a waste of fucking money. Who the fuck we gonna feed the drinks to, niggas? So everybody else can fuck? Fuck out of here, nigga. Tone Live, the mayor, nigga. Real talk? I'ma keep it real. You bitches need to step your game up. Nobody care about your pussy, bitch. We buy pussy. You bitches don't want to fuck, we buy pussy. So all that shaking and all that shit, step your fucking lyric game, nigga. Y'all niggas, and real talk, you bitches need to spit mad game, yo. Y'all niggas, back in the days, Yo-Yo, Latifah, the bitches, they, excuse me, them ladies still for respect. You feel me? You bitches nowadays, crazy. Crazy. Well, nobody give a fuck about your titties. We go to strip club for all that shit, bitch. $2, nigga, I'm tipping bitches. And I'm gonna tell you about Jersey rappers, we keep it too fucking real. That's why niggas don't come to shoot shows out here. If they do, they go to Meadowlands. Motherfucker. Nobody come to the hood to do shows. If they do, they motherfuckers be in and out. 3 songs and out. You feel me? Because Jersey niggas just keep it real. You feel me? From motherfucking High Point all the way down to Camden, nigga. I ain't never been to High Point, but that's the highest point in New Jersey. You feel me? Can't me, nigga. You know what I mean? Yeah, fuck it. Yeah, the weed is good everywhere, nigga. You know what I mean? But nah, Jersey rappers just keep it real, nigga. We roll with a real entourage that just doing our thing, you know what I'm saying? And no disrespect to anybody else, but when it comes to Jersey rappers, niggas speak that real. You see the niggas out there. You see the Joe Buttons. You see the Rap Mans. You see the Naughty by Natures. You see all that shit. You see the Ransoms. And y'all gonna learn about Tone Live, motherfucker, for real. Because I'm the mayor. Because wherever I go, I'm the mayor. Keep my feet up, nigga. Fuck fat bitches all my life, you know what I mean? I love them bitches, stretch marks and everything. Love handles, all that. And all you big bitches, straight up and down, myspace.com// LIVDAMAYOR. You big bitches, I love y'all. You come holler at me. Peace to Sauce McCarty, nigga. He about to get signed to Universal and shit, because we keep it funky, nigga. Straight up and down. You know what I mean? When it comes down to this real hip-hop shit, nigga, I don't fucking fake, nigga. I do me. And I tell niggas. I came from a long way, nigga, when niggas was like, I don't want to hear Tone Live. Now niggas like, can I do a song with on Tone Live? Yeah. Why Tone Live go to California? Cause you niggas sitting home shitting, eating your bitches' pussies out and all that shit, nigga. I'm making moves, nigga. And I eat pussy sometimes, depending how I feel. Real talk. Power DVD, motherfuckers. Y'all niggas respect the game, nigga. Yo, I blast so fast that your ass collapse. I got magnum raps, rolling niggas that laugh at cracks. That throw it up when I flee from the scene. You niggas see what I mean. Don't have to read it between. Tone Live in the mix. Now you thinking me black. Yankee hat to the back. Shank attack to the whack. The actual fact, I'm telling you. Niggas is puss. I take it back to junior high and get these niggas a mush. Word to Mother Nates. I'm the ripper that you niggas love to hate. Fuck your mother at the lake. Make sure the rubber break. Take that. Where the cake at? Yo, it's all gone. I slam tracks. Break that down till it's all gone. I stay reppin'. Alizé to the face, E&J steppin'. Don't be engaged when I'm flexing. No direction. I keep it hard like erection. No direction. I freak squads like the X-Men.